Forget spending hours editing images in Photoshop. This free AI background remover can instantly separate your subject from the background with just one click. To get started, open any browser and search for remove.bg. Open the website and access the AI background removal tool. Now click on the Upload option and choose the image from your device that you want to edit. Once the image is uploaded, the AI will automatically identify the main subject and remove the unwanted background while keeping the important details clear. In just a few seconds, you will get a clean, transparent background image without manually selecting or erasing anything. You can preview the result and, if you want, make further adjustments according to your needs. Finally, simply click on the Download button to save the image and use it for product designs, thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, or any creative project. Now you can create professional-looking images quickly without expensive software or advanced editing skills.